My name is Kim, I'm the founder and CEO, and I'd like to thank you for supporting my company. Where did I look? Welcome to Event Styles LLC, where we bring the style to your events. My name is Kim, I'm the founder and CEO, and from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank you for your support of our company. Whether it be by joining our YouTube community, by liking, commenting, and subscribing to all of our videos, or by following us on our social media platforms at Event Styles LLC, or by allowing us to be a part of your event in any way, shape, or form, it is an honor that we do not take lightly. On this channel, look forward to content related to event decorations, including but not limited to tutorials on how to create backdrops, balloon bouquet, balloon twisting, and so much more. Also, we'll have content related to entrepreneurship, so look forward to that. If you would like to stay connected with us, be sure to hit the notification bell next to the subscription button down below. Feel free to reach out to us at eventstylesllc@gmail.com or visit us at www.eventstylesllc.com. Welcome to Event Styles LLC, where we bring style to your events. Baby. On this channel, look forward to content related to... Oh, was that it? Yeah. Okay. Be serious. Lightly. There's a fly. Thank you for watching the video. Let us know what you think in the comment sections down below, and be sure to follow us on our other social media pages to stay connected with us, and we'll see you in the next video.